Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make coleslaw Jamaican style, only way. Start by shredding cabbage and carrots finely, then chill them while you make the dressing. Whisk vinegar, lime juice, a little sugar, salt, and pepper into a smooth emulsion. Fold in chopped scallions and pimentos gently so the slaw stays crunchy. Taste and adjust acidity or sweetness, then chill so flavors meld before serving alongside jerk meats. In this video, I will show how to make coleslaw Jamaican style, only way. Combine white vinegar, fresh lime juice, and a neutral oil and whisk until slightly thickened into a dressing. Stir in 1 or 2 teaspoons of sugar and a pinch of salt to balance acidity. Taste and add a dash of hot pepper sauce if you want a gentle warmth. Let the dressing rest for a few minutes before tossing with vegetables. In this video, I will show how to make coleslaw Jamaican style, only way. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep and transport effortless, keeping dressed slaw fresh and mess-free. They stack neatly and seal tightly, so your picnic or potluck stays tidy. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make coleslaw Jamaican style, only way. When combining, use a light folding motion so the cabbage keeps its crunch and the dressing coats evenly. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to allow flavors to marry without losing crispness. Before serving, give it a final taste and adjust salt or lime if needed. This slaw pairs perfectly with spicy jerk chicken or fish to cool and complement bold flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.